Redeem the best promo code during registration on Stake, 2025 Stake, and unlock exclusive VIP benefits. To activate this feature from the beginning, during registration, click on Code and enter 2025 Stake. If you've already registered and it's been less than 24 hours, don't worry, you can still activate the code by clicking on your profile icon, going to Settings, selecting Offers and entering the code 2025 Stake. In the welcome offer field, just hit Submit and now Rank Back will be instantly available on your account. Normally, you can only activate Rank Back once you reach the Bronze VIP level after wagering $10,000, but with my code 2025 Stake, you can get access right from the start. Stake, it's not just another gaming website. They've partnered with Everton Football Club, UFC, Drake, and more. Stake brings you the best gameplay from esteemed iGaming providers like Pragmatic Play, Hacksaw Gaming, Twist Gaming, and Evolution Gaming.